Come on around me, little car. There you go. There you go. Awesome. All right, now I got it all to myself. All right, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope y'all are doing well. Checking in on the progress of this community. I have a couple of clients that have placed their names on lots in this community, and so we're just waiting. We're waiting for the builder to get started. One of my clients are out of state, and so I wanted to kind of do this video so we could see the progress of where they are. This is a great community in Ellis County. They're starting in the mid 300s. Prices are not out, but they're kind of projected to start in the mid 300s, and so builders are operating a little bit different in this season, and so they were able to place their names on the lot and pick their floor plan, but we're just waiting to see the actual prices, right? So the builder's getting everything lined up. I see they've gotten brick delivered. They're getting ready to probably do the entry walls, right? They got their materials lined up. See, they have them on both sides. My clients had chosen this a corner lot over here. So I know they're wanting to know what kind of progress has been going on. All right, we're still in good standing. They haven't broke ground. They haven't laid the foundation. They haven't done. They haven't actually began working on any of the homes, right? None of the home sites have began working on. They haven't started laying any foundations. Let me see if they have any form boards up. They've made progress, but they haven't got started, right? So we're going to continue to exercise patience. But this builder, the thing we really loved about this builder, some builders have lotteries, some have long wait lists, some can only sell so many homes a month. But what this builder elected to do, they're a local builder here in North Texas. They have communities all over. What they chose to do was allow families to go ahead and select their lot and their floor plan, put down their earnest money. They don't cash the earnest money. They just hold it, though. And then here in another month or so, when they pour the foundations, the families they'll be able to release the prices, and then they'll decide whether they want to make these their home. But it's kind of crazy. Home prices are not out yet. So I guess you can say that in situations like this, the builder kind of allowed them to RSVP or to reserve one, but it's not, we haven't gone under contract. We're not officially under contract, but the home is theirs if they like the price. All right, we kind of got some estimate of where prices would be, but again, nothing is ever settled until you actually go officially under contract. But it's a really great option because it allows families not to be stressed out, right? We got a range. The range was in their budget. This is generally a really great fair builder. They're not one of those builders that have crazy price increases. They try to be fair. So we're just hoping that it all works out and everything is what my clients like. So yeah, looks like they're getting the community wall up first. So they have bricks lined up all around the perimeter here. Yeah, because they're gonna get started building that community wall. Oh, I can see where here they are. Yeah, they're working on the community wall first. Right, you got Interstate I-35 just blocks away. So for families that need to commute to downtown Dallas, this allows a quick commute. That's why a lot of families love Ellis County. If you are working in downtown Dallas, you can easily get up to Dallas really quick. So, but yeah, so it's going to be a little bit going to be a little bit longer here. But I wanted to just kind of check in, drive the community so that they could get some updates on the progress. Yeah, they haven't started laying any of the foundations yet. They're still working on some of the infrastructure. And once they get that infrastructure up, they'll be ready to go. But no wait list, no wait list. This community has, I think they have just a few more lots available, not many. They only have the larger ones left. But again, I really love the way they operate. They allow families to go ahead and select their lot. And if they don't like the price when they release, then, they're not obligated. But meanwhile, they have the peace of mind knowing that they have the floor plan and the home site that they desire. So my family, they wanted a corner lot. I have another that's waiting as well. So won't be long. We'll see. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Bye for now.